No, it's been more than 3 years now since the devastating wildfires in Sevier County.
But of course, the memories are still fresh on minds there and here. And new at WATE 6 on your side news at 6, reporter Blake Stevens shows us how one author is putting all those memories onto paper.
Stories that almost went untold. Stories that Alan Robbins decided were worth telling in the form of a book. He's the general manager at Sevier County Electric System. Trial by Fire shares memories from his linemen who were working to get power restored during the wildfires, but essentially became first responders.
And the story that they did not share with anybody until we started this book project was how many people they actually rescued off the mountain. And they were people that were abandoning their cars and running to them and getting on our bucket trucks and our pickups, and they were driving them to safety.
His crew's not trained for a night like that, but springing into action anyway. The book, now available for 6 months, already selling 1,300 copies. It's paid for itself. Now Robbins is paying it forward.
And I wanted to help the entities that helped our community because they gave so much at that time. So I'm trying to give back to them.
He's doing that by presenting checks to local groups that helped during and after the fires. Today, he's stopping by Smoky Mountain Area Rescue Ministries.
We replaced about 11 or 12 cars for folks. We provided furniture, we provided clothing. We did a lot of things, and the great thing that seems to help the most is just having compassion and being able to listen to people and be able to meet their needs as best we can.
This makes $3,000 donated, a total Robbins hopes to multiply in the future.
And we're so thankful for people like Alan that help us in the community, and not only us, but other agencies as well, because we all do work together.
In Sevier County, Blake Stevens, WATE 6 on your side.
All right, Blake, thank you. It's great to see, so many people stepped up to help others, and now it's great to see people stepping up to help those people out as well, to kind of way say thank you.
It really is. And, we'll never forget. We'll never forget. And there are 14 people who lost their lives, and those scars will be there for a long, long time.
Definitely. If you